In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix. We are currently experiencing issues. We apologize for the inconvenience. Please try again later. Error on Talkie app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So in most cases, if you are receiving this error, most likely there is a glitch that this app has experienced that you need to fix. To do this, first we need to troubleshoot the app and see if this will fix the issue. You need to go to settings on your phone, and from settings look for apps. On the apps, go to manage apps, and this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone, and from the list just search for your app. Here you want to clear the app data, so I'll clear cache and also clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Talkie app, everything should be running without any issue. But should this not work, then you want to ensure that you are not connected to any VPN. If you are, you can turn the VPN off and see if you are now able to log in and use your Talkie app as usual. In most cases, this should fix, but should this not work, then most likely Talkie app has experienced a server error, of which it should be fixed within some few minutes. So for that, you'll need to take some time and come back later. You may also want to check and ensure that you are not using an outdated version of Talkie app. To do that, go to Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. Let me know which of these was able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.